Alrighty.
So once the headboard and the footboard are connected to the bed, here's how you need to power it up. So you see this color coding dots on each bed. That means it needs a 3000 watt transformer. So once you take the 3000 watt transformer from the box, you hook the transformer's main power cord to the wall in your hospital, and you put the input selector to 240 volts, which is the voltage in Burundi. Once this is connected to the wall,
Go plug it in.
No.
To, your cord's going to be a wall. Oh, that's right. I'm
yeah,
sorry.
that's 110. You connect this, the power cord of the bed, to the 110 volts in the transformer. Since we are doing this in the United States, I'm not going to hook it up to the transformer. So we are going to show you how the bed functions up and down. So the bed is now connected to the power cord. And now we are going to do the side rails up.
Okay. Bring them towards the foot and up so it locks into place.
And you do that for the other side too.
Okay.
Okay, now the bed is set up with the headboard, footboard, and the side rails up. Now we're going to show you how the bed is going to go up and down.
He's going to do it.
Yeah, do it from this side.
You point your finger to it.
Okay, this is your headboard. You push the up button, it raises your head up.
So this.
Push the bottom button, lowers it back down. This is your foot. Raise it up. This will bend your knees, your feet are down here. This will lower it. Now to get the bed to the right height so that the nurses can work on the patients, these buttons right here, it's got this picture of the bed, hit the up button and it'll raise the bed up. If you got a tall doctor that needs to get to the patients, he can raise this thing way up. Okay, same thing, you hit the bottom button, it lowers the bed back down. That'll help you in case you have a patient that's hard to get out of bed. Get them closest to the floor that you can.
All right.
Now,
Oh, hold on. Did you stop it? No.
Go ahead.
to let the patient out, you need to lower the side rails. This little black button down here that says push. You push that in, push this towards the thing, and it releases it. Same way with the foot. Comes down, and then you can push this in to let the patient out and don't have to worry about him getting his leg caught on this edge. Then when you get ready to pull it out, put the patient back in, pull that out, flip it back up, lock it.